Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you about Sathi Dusai Puja or Sashti Dusai Puja or the worshipping the goddess Sathi Dusai that happens in Odisha. In this photo, can you identify what are these objects? These are called Kaudi or Kauri. Sathi Dusai doesn't have a human form. So how she looks, you can see in the picture. Clay is pasted on the inner wall near kitchen in the form of a square. Then 6 clay balls are pasted on the wall and 6 kaudi or kauris are pasted on it. So this design, this art is Sathi Dusai or the goddess Sathi Dusai. Now let's see how the Sathi Dusai Puja happens after the birth of a kid. On the 5th day of childbirth, Panchuati, a food item, is prepared from 5 items: mudhi or puffed rice mixed with guda or jaggery, biri or black gram, muga or mung dal or vinga mungo, butta or chana dal, harada or tur dal. Those things are fried. So that item is called Panchuati. The mother puts the Panchuati in her mouth, and while crushing the food, she makes the newborn kid to hear the sound to confirm that the kid doesn't have any hearing impairedness. The other ladies show their Panotakani or the end portion of the sari, which is put on the shoulder, and someone put the food item or Panchuati on their Panotakani. On the 6th day of childbirth, the child is given a light massage in the room he or she was born. 6 types of food are prepared like bhata or cooked rice, dali or dal or lentils, macha, fish, chokuli, a type of cake from rice which is known as dosa as well, and any 2 type of curries, veg or fish. And this food is first offered to the goddess Sathi Dusai, the goddess of birth. In the evening, a feast is arranged and people do bondana of the newborn kid. So this is all about the Sathi Dusai Puja after a kid's birth. Now let's see how the Sathi Dusai Puja happens after the Ganesh Puja. On the 6th day of Ganesh Puja, the Sathi Dusai Puja happens. This is a little different from the Sathi Dusai Puja that happens after a kid's birth. 6 types of food are prepared as bhata or cooked rice, dali or dal or lentils, macha or fish, chokuli, a cake like food made of rice, also known as dosa, and veg curry, 2 types of veg curries. Then haladi or turmeric is put on the silapua. Silapua is a bar like instrument used in the old times as a grinder, and then it is covered with a cloth of turmeric or yellow color cloth. 5 types of plants are bundled together: bounso or bamboo, dhana or paddy, then vajramuli, apumaranga, and saru or taro. A purnakumbha or kalasi, a pot with a coconut and mango leaves over that is called a purnakumbha. So a purnakumbha is placed near that. Then goligua, a type of betel nut, sindrophorua, vermilion case with vermilion in it, Kajalpati, a case containing the black used for eye, are placed near that. Then the Bandapana or the worship happens with Dubba, a type of grass, Borokoli Patra, leaves of Borokoli or Ziziphus, and Orua Chaulo, a type of rice. In the night, the kids are patted with the bundled plants. The 5 types of plants are bundled together. Those bundled plants have the medicinal values. That's why it is done like that. Then people tie a piece of cloth or haladi kapada, a cloth dipped in turmeric, on their hand. So this is all about Sothi Dusai Puja after a kid's birth and after the Ganesh Puja. I have explained about the process that is followed in my locality in Odisha, but the process of worship might differ in different regions. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Thank you.